All right, let's start the show. All right, check this off. I'm here in Belgrade, Serbia, and this is the channel that I will start to discuss and compare dating in the United States to dating around the globe. I'm at the age where I am very well established, very well financially free, where I now need to start a family, and the options that I've been exploring in the United States doesn't have quite what I need in terms of partnership, in terms of having someone who is there not just for how many digits. And when I say digits, I mean how much money I bring in every month. That's it's more to life and having a family, a partnership that someone just labeling you based on what you bring in, because that doesn't sound like a partnership that anyone should be in. Just my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, okay? It's just the way, I've been dating the United States for over a decade, and it's not getting any better. So here I am. I've been traveling around the world extensively. I know there are many channels like this one online. At the same time, I don't think I've encountered a channel that has a background like me. Okay, I was born and raised in Nigeria, grew up in Nigeria, lived there till about the age of 7. About the age of 19. About the age of 19, I left when I was 19. Left for the United States. I arrived in the United States back in March of 2007, just at the height of the financial meltdown. And lived there, been through different economic cycles. Did my bachelor's degree in the United States. Did my master's in the UK, just about 35 minutes outside the city of London, in a place called Bedford. And after that, established myself, find my footing in the world through trial and error. And now I'm looking for my other half, and I want to document the journey. And I know there are many, many, many American men in the United States going through this. Is not just me. It's an endemic. It's big. And for someone like me, people might say, hey, why don't you just go back to Nigeria and marry a Nigerian woman? You like what you like. I like exploring my options, see what's out there in the world. Me being an American citizen, Nigerian American, I kind of wanted to go out to other parts of the world and explore and show others in my position or like to know, hey, you do have options. I'm here in Belgrade, which is in Serbia, Central Europe, and I've traveled extensively around the world. Philippines, Thailand, Dominican Republic, Poland. I was just in Warsaw, Poland, and so I've decided, hey, let me try Belgrade, Serbia. I had actually a colleague of mine who was Serbian, and when I was back in London, and that's how I kind of discovered Serbia. So, to the topic of the channel, want to talk about dating in Serbia. I've been here for 5 days now. Been on 2 dates. I gotta tell you, but you know, I was here before the Eastern Orthodox Christmas and New Year, so all the girls were kind of on the countryside because they're very family oriented, all traveled back to be with their families. So all the girls that I was talking to were actually outside the city. Now they're beginning to come back today and tomorrow. So most of the days that I have now are from today and tomorrow, almost like all scheduled up. So the thing is, dating here in Serbia is very traditional. They are very traditional people. Things go slower. That's what I'm trying to say. Things go slower. It's not the same as dating in Thailand. It's not the same as the Philippines. Or I've never been to Brazil or any other South American countries, except Mexico. I've been to Mexico for other reasons, business related, not for searching for the opposite sex. However, things move very slow here. Okay, it takes you talking to the women, to the girls. They want to talk to you for a couple of days before they actually go out on a date. They prefer the casual coffee shop schedule, which is what I prefer. I don't drink alcohol, so I prefer the coffee shops here are nice. Go over there, have a chat, no pressure. I don't see any reason why anyone should be going on a formal dinner on a first date. That's just my opinion. It's not something that just makes things awkward. You're chewing food and exchanging verbal resumes. That doesn't sound ideal. And you don't want to go to the movies because then you won't be able to talk, or go to other activities. You'll be busy doing that and talking to the person. Coffee shop is ideal for a first date. It doesn't take much. You're sitting there, nice ambient, music is going, and you enjoying a coffee or tea, and you interacting. And if the chemistry is not there, you haven't wasted anyone's time. You just gotta run the date, let it finish. Run the date to the end, shake hands, and then let them know, hey, you're not feeling it. That's that. The 2 days that I've been to, the first one, it went really well. I talked to the girl after that for a day or two. Then she just kind of went silent on me. She hasn't matched me. I just went chase. The second one went well. I liked her. I think she felt the vibe. I'm still talking to that one. Schedule another date tonight. And then there's another girl that I met over at a store. She was a cashier. Looks great. Got her Instagram. We'll be talking on the DM. So scheduled to meet that one. I don't know if she's gonna follow up or she's gonna flake out. That's another thing. Just be prepared. Girls here are gonna flake out on you, okay? Especially if they look good. You know, if they look good, I'm talking about they look like Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian type looks. They're gonna flake out on you. Just be prepared for that. I've had girls like that. I have one actually that I was talking to. Then I found out she told me she's going back to the United Arab Emirates, which is a lot of these girls, they find a chic somewhere and book a hotel somewhere in Burj Khalifa and fly her first class to come over there and see him for a few months. And I don't blame them. The girls, they look really, majority of the women here are very attractive, very, very, very attractive. you know, and I've been to a lot of other countries here in Europe, including Hungary. In Hungary, you know, the girls, they look good from afar, then you can come close to them. You know, it's like, you know, like life is taking its toll on them. Here, even the older women, they look good. You know, guess the food is good, whatever they eat, they take care of themselves. And so that's that. And I actually have 3 days that was scheduled today. One flaked out, and I have 2 more. I don't know if she's gonna follow through. And then the third one looks like she's definitely gonna follow through. That was the second date. So I'll update you later. And yeah, that's the reason for this channel. I'm gonna be talking about managing your Airbnbs from afar, from managing your Airbnb remotely, making money as you go, financial freedom, the new American dream, which is being financially free and mobile, being able to move locations whenever you want, choosing being the sole proprietor of your own being, master of your own fate. That is the reason for this channel, and giving you tips and tricks that I learned along the way, and hopefully meeting like-minded people, and we can connect in synergy. Like my father always say, and this I will close my first vlog with this. Together we can achieve the extraordinary. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.